Welcome to the Cal Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic of this video is a function name being a callable object value. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. A callable object is a C++ object, but it's not an example of object-oriented principles. It's not meant to encapsulate data. It's not meant to encapsulate a bunch of member functions. That's not the meaningful part of something being a callable object. The meaningful part is the callable object can abstractly refer to one specific important invocable subroutine. In traditional C programming, the closest thing to a callable object would have been a function pointer. However, a callable object is not a pointer. It doesn't point at a function or anything else for that matter. A callable object is an object. So it gets instantiated, stored in an object variable, and passed around via parameters. Of course, all object variables have some kind of type. A callable object's type is a standard template called function. That template parameter is the signature of this important invocable subroutine. Look at this initialization statement. Here, doMath is a variable. It's a callable object variable. We're initializing it to a callable object value. One possible value is the name of any ordinary C++ function, like this doAddition. Variables can always be reassigned. Same here, we can reassign our callable object variable into a different value. Here, we change this value into a different name of a different ordinary C++ function. The whole purpose of having callable objects is that we plan to eventually invoke them. Traditionally, a callable object is invoked by using function call syntax. C++17 introduces an equivalent mechanism for invoking a callable object. You don't need to initialize a callable object variable, but it would be invalid to try to invoke it without it having any value. In fact, that would throw an exception. You can use casting to Boolean to test whether or not it has any value.